Hey guys, Mopar Man back with another fix. So I got my new Charger, the 2014 Pursuit, and as soon as I got it home, check engine light pops on. Of course, my luck. And it turns out it was for the knock sensor. And been trying to find a wiring diagram at least for it, but having a little trouble with that. So I'm just gonna go with a shot in the dark because both the wires are about the same color. They're yellow and black striped for the one side. So I'm gonna put it in as I think it should be. Got a repair kit from AutoZone. Okay, it comes with a new connector and everything, because what happened was it was throwing a thing for a knock sensor, but the wires actually came out of the connector, and thus was giving me a check engine light, so throwing a code. I'm gonna fix it, clear the check engine light, and then hopefully that'll solve my problem. That'll take care of everything. So I'm gonna show you what I'm dealing with right now. I'm just gonna get my iron hot. Alright, getting my soldering iron hot. I got my wires here stripped. I'm gonna strip a little more back on the wires on the car. Flux compound, in case you need it. That is the part number. Alright, that's, you know, it's for my 2014 Charger Pursuit, but I'm pretty sure it works for all of them across the board. It comes with heat shrink, which is nice. I'll throw that on now. I'm gonna show you under the car real quick. It's right back here. I will get some lighting in here. I'll show you guys from the side. Alright guys, so here's what you're looking at. There's the wires that are hanging down. Alright. As you can see, it's black with a yellow stripe and yellow with a black stripe. I'm pretty sure black with a yellow stripe is my ground, and yellow with the black stripe is my power. So I'm going to strip back on those wires a little bit more. Tie in my new wires. I may clip the new wires just to make it a little shorter. And then wrap everything up so it kind of stays safe. Alright. So that's the idea. I'm not gonna, you know, I'm gonna try to see real quick. It's difficult to mount you somewhere to show you what I'm doing, but I will show you once I get to a good spot. Alright guys, so finish putting it all together. So here's the connector. I did trim the wire back a little bit more. Trying to see where I'm showing you stuff. Alright. As you can see, I got the the heat shrink on it. I soldered it. Like I said, orange is my power. I'm guessing blue is my ground. But when I tested it with a test light, nothing lit up. And I'm having a tough time finding a wiring diagram. So I'm remounted the knock sensor, which is right there. Well, you can see it, but I'll try to show it to you. There. Try to point it out with my hand without getting burned. Right there. So it's a 13mm bolt. I'm going to tighten it back up. What else I'm going to do is I'm going to put electrical tape around this entire wire to keep it secure and together, and I'm going to put the plastic the plastic wrap around it and plug it in. Then I'll clear the check engine light and hopefully it's ready to go. Another nifty thing I found out about this car is I thought I was feeling a thing in the front end. Check that out. That is the ball joint's gone. That one, the tie rod ends, is shot. So I'm going to replace both the tie rod ends. I'm probably going to do both the ball joints since I got this weekend. I'm going to look them up now and try to get this all replaced, and then, you know, obviously get the car driven and try to get a state inspection done, because I just got it registered. So that's kind of crazy. I'm not going to drive this anywhere. I'm going to take my truck to go do some errands. But anyway, so the knock sensor code was a P0330. It was for bank 2 sensor, and when I crawled underneath, I had a feeling it was wires, and it was. So I'm fixed the wires. I'm going to plug it all back together and take care of that. The other side looks good. You know, I just double checked it just to make sure. They actually make a full harness that you could just, you know, you could just buy the full harness, and it has multiple plugs, I guess, for wherever it plugs in together. My thought is, I didn't really want to go that route. $61 gets you the connector and the wires from AutoZone. A little pricey, but you know, if you're good at soldering wires together and stuff, then you could do that. So I hope this helps whoever else is out there. It is a Charger Pursuit, rear-wheel drive, V8 with the Hemi. What else can I tell you about the car? All the lights and sirens and stuff work, so that's pretty neat. Needed another daily driver since the other Charger's timing belt broke. Please hit that like and subscribe and save the videos. It might help you in the future.